As always, our department tries to stay on top of things, and with this pandemic, what we have done this time around is installed air purifying systems for every single bus. Along with our sanitizing, we feel this air purifying system is gonna help a lot with the air quality inside the bus. Every 5 to 7 minutes, we will have good, clean, virus-free air inside the bus. This air purifying system was chosen because it has UV lighting. And UV lighting is guaranteed and scientifically proven to kill the virus. So anything that goes in there, it will kill the virus and any other viruses that exist, and it's gonna throw fresh, clean air out the other end. What we want is to remind parents that they help us by reminding their kids at home that we follow the 3 W's: wear your mask, wash your hands, and watch your distance. And we believe that with their help, it's gonna get it better for everybody. It's one of the newest systems that's out there, and we feel confident, and we want to make the parents and reassure them that their kids will be safe inside the bus.